Hello, I'm Nick Poulin, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at a Colt factory engraved new service target revolver. And stay tuned till the end to find out what it realized in our most recent fall 2023 Premier Firearms auction. Chambered in .45 Colt, this outstanding flat-top target revolver was originally sold in Portland, Maine to the family of a U.S. Senator in 1913. The original owner, Harold White Sr., was the brother of Wallace White Jr., who was the U.S. Senator and Senate Minority Leader for 18 years. This exquisite revolver is decorated with a Factory C coverage engraving that consists of a scroll and punch dot background on the frame sides, the top, cylinder, and breech ends of the barrel. It has complementing highlights that adorn the trigger guard and butt area as well as the front and rear frame areas. It is fitted with a 7.5-inch barrel that has an elevation adjustable bead front sight and a windage adjustable U-notch target rear sight mounted on the flat top frame. It has blued finish and a fire blued trigger and hammer, having polished sides. The hammer and grip straps are checkered, and the two-piece walnut grips are checkered with rampant Colt medallions. It is accompanied with a Colt letter that is signed by Beverly Haynes, the Colt historian. It verifies the configuration as well as the engraving, which is noted in the remarks as though the original shipping records for this revolver do not contain the engraved notation. The production record does indicate that this was indeed a factory engraved firearm. The letter also states that the revolver was sold to Harold White and shipped to T.B. Davis Arms Company in Portland, Maine in August of 1913 and was the only gun that was included in that shipment. It is accompanied with a factory-made flap-style holster with a lightly marked name on the back that reads Harold White. The condition of this revolver is extremely fine, retaining over 95% of its original metal finish with a bright and excellent bore. This outstanding example was estimated $20,000 to $30,000 in our previous fall 2023 Premier Firearms auction. It realized over $55,000 in this sale. If you like this video and want to learn more about interesting and collectible Colts, then visit our website at poulinauctions.com. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, stay safe, and send it downrange.